you have a turd of a 305. You never cease to amaze me. We're gonna have some fun. Hey, welcome back to Squarebody Stuff. I'm Chad. I'm gonna be playing around with my Squarebody step side, my little C10 step side I call my race truck. Got a couple things I want to do to him. I don't have a whole lot of time today, so I want to throw together a little bit of a quick video. A couple things I want to try to get done. One thing for sure is get my header extensions on. Right now he's got 3-inch exhaust. It's like just a piece of 3-inch, 4-foot long piece of pipe with 8-inch glass packs on the end of it with turn downs. So I'm going to take those off, put these header extensions on. That'll shorten it up, maybe breathe a little bit better. I don't know how much it's going to do for the drag strip, but we'll see how it does. It should help some. And hear what it sounds like, because it's daylight. I'm not going to worry about waking the neighbors up, because a lot of times I film in the middle of the night because I work night shift, and so I'm out here, 3 o'clock in the morning, and I don't like revving stuff up too much to bother the neighbors. They're not real close by, but still try to be a little respectful. So I'm gonna go get Squeaky fired up, pull him into the shop, and we'll get these headers extensions on and go from there. He wasn't really running the greatest. Had a couple plugs fouled out. This thing is wore out. I think that's the only reason it's surviving the nitrous hits. So put a couple plugs in there. He's running better. So I'm going to set the camera up behind the truck, get a little sound bite of the exhaust that's on there right now, the 3-inch pipe with the 8-inch glass packs, and then I'll put the extensions on there, get a sound bite of that. I don't know if I'm going to do a test drive today. I'm just really short on time, but I just want to show you guys what some of the progress I'm doing on this truck, getting it ready for the track. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks we'll be taking them and trying them out again. I've got a whole list of things I was wanting to do this winter that I didn't get to, so I'm going to try to bunch it all into the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned and let's get these extensions on there. Alright, before we get started, I want to ask you if you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of this. If you haven't seen any of this truck, don't know anything about this truck, I'll put a link to the playlist up here in the corner. Also go check out our Teespring store for merchandise. You get some hoodies. I've got all sorts of stuff on there. I don't do a very good job of promoting my merchandise. Just kind of forget about it sometimes. But anyways, go check out my merchandise. It's in the description box below. It's teespring.com. Check that out. And now let's get to doing some wrenching. This should be pretty straightforward. I've just got to take the 3 collector bolts off. I've got header buddies on my extensions. If you guys don't know what header buddies are, they're just these nifty little collector extensions or collector ball things that that bolt right up to your headers. They work really great. I've got some other videos that I've kind of showed about them. Maybe one of these days I'll just do a video about header buddies, because I've got them on every truck I've got. So then it makes it real easy, because you don't have to have a gasket. If there's a little bit of a misalignment, it'll hook right up. I've got unhooked that and the hanger and the rears, and these pipes will just come right out. I'll get under here and show you what these header buddies are about. See, they just seat right into your header tubes. You can get them in all sorts of different sizes and shapes, whatever. I think these are just 3 inch to 3 inch, just a straight shot. They work really good. On Cream Puff, my other little C10, it goes from 3 inch to 2.5. And same thing on my crew cab buddy with the big block in it. They're 3 inch to 2.5. So we'll get these nuts off there. And also I use crimped nuts, metal crimped nuts, locking nuts, whatever you want to call them. That way I don't have to double nut them. I don't have to worry about them coming loose. And don't have any problem with it. Well, there they are. Are they perfectly even? No. But we're not building a SEMA truck. This is just old squeaky. Worn out 305, 250 shot of nitrous, and a cam that has a nice chop chop. Maybe I ought to reroute the muffler exhaust as stacks. That almost suits this truck perfectly. And maybe not. I don't know. I've thought about it before. Old buddy, my crew cab, he's out there. Had 4 inch stacks going up the headache rack for a long time back in his old glory days. All right, I'll get this camera set up and I'll fire him up and see what he sounds like. We're just going to take you for a little test trip down the gravel road. Ain't got a bad little chop chop for a little 305. I don't know if that'll help any on the ET or not, but it's got to do something. It's breathing a little freer now. We'll take it to the strip. I got some other things I'm going to do to them. So I guess until next time, keep your square bodies rolling. We'll catch you later.